Have you ever wondered why your download speed feels slow even though your internet plan is fast? The problem might not be your internet, it's actually your browser. In this video, I will show you a hidden setting in Chrome that can boost your download speed. Let's begin. By default, when Chrome downloads a file, it opens just one connection to the server. The server sees that and puts a speed cap on it. Doesn't matter how fast your internet is, that single connection is your ceiling. There's a hidden setting that fixes this, and it takes about 20 seconds to turn on. Open Chrome, in the address bar, type this and hit enter. Then search for parallel downloading. You'll see a drop-down set to default. Change it to enabled, then restart Chrome. Now, Chrome can make full use of your internet bandwidth. What this does is break your file into multiple pieces and download all of them at the same time. More connections, faster download. Chrome stitches it all back together automatically. Just a heads up, this particular setting is available only on the desktop version of Chrome. It's not there if you're using Chrome on your phone or tablet, so this trick works on your laptop or computer. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.